In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Shein tracking number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in the app so you can keep an eye on your delivery without any guesswork. Start by opening the Shein app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed into the account you used to place the order and that your internet connection is stable. This helps the app load your most recent order information accurately. Once the app opens, tap on the Me tab. You'll usually find it at the bottom right of the screen. This is your account hub, where all your personal settings, saved items, and order history live. If you don't see it right away, scroll or look for the profile icon. It's the same place where Shein groups everything related to your account. Next, go to My Orders and choose View All. This is where you'll see your entire order history, not just the most recent purchases. Viewing all orders makes it easy to pick the exact order you want to track, especially if you've placed several orders close together. Take a moment to verify the order by date, item thumbnail, or total amount so you're opening the right one. Now tap on the order you want to check. This opens the order details page, which is the central place for everything related to that order: items, prices, shipping method, and shipment updates when available. If your order has multiple packages, you'll often see separate entries on this page for each package. On the order details screen, you will see the order number. The order number is your internal reference within Shein. It identifies your purchase in their system. Right around this section, you'll typically find the tracking number as well once the order has shipped. It may appear near the shipping or logistics information alongside the carrier name and current status. If you don't see a tracking number yet, it usually means the package hasn't been handed off to the carrier. In that case, give it a little time and check this same order page again later. When the tracking number is available, it will show up here. A couple of quick tips while you're on this page. Double check that the item status says shipped or in transit, as that's when tracking becomes available. If there are multiple packages within the same order, you may see separate tracking numbers listed on the same order details page. Consider saving or screenshotting the tracking number so you can paste it into the carrier's site if needed. That's it. Simple and reliable. Open the app, go to Me, head into My Orders and View All, select your order, and use the order details page to find your tracking number when it's ready.